Okay, Miss Drummer, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Hi, my name is April, and I'm coming to you today for child support for my 2 children.
All right, how old are your children?
My children, 6 and 4.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm bringing Mr. here before the court today because I need support for my kids. And unfortunately, he's not providing.
All right. Does he have a job?
Yes, he does.
All right, where does he work?
He's a plumber.
Inside the quiet courtroom, tension rises quickly. April Drummer takes the stand demanding child support for her children, ages 6 and 4. She claims the father has steady work, but refuses to help financially. His job? A plumber. Yet whispers suggest he's been laying more than pipes. Stay tuned. The drama begins.
So he has a legitimate job. He can be supporting the kids, and he won't do it?
He will not.
Okay. Well, did you want to let me know anything else before I move over to him?
Yes. His job is to be a plumber, but that's not the only thing he's fixing.
Oh, okay.
He's not just fixing water pipes.
Interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Yes, really.
Yes, sir.
April refuses to hold back. She tells the court the plumber isn't only repairing leaks, but keeping secrets. The judge leans forward, curiosity building. April hints there's more happening behind closed doors. What exactly is he fixing when no one's watching? The truth promises to get messy. Keep watching. The plumber responds next.
What else are you fixing?
Listen, I'm a plumber. I'm a licensed plumber, Drummer the plumber. I'm sure you've seen all my social media ads. All I do...
Actually, I haven't.
Okay, well, you should. All I do is lay pipe all day long.
Oh, okay.
All right, that's what I do.
Is that the fixing you were referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I'm not talking about any housework. I'm not talking about any businesses. I'm talking about females.
Oh, okay. Drummer the plumber. All right.
All up and down Oak Cliff.
Okay.
First of all, I don't be in no cliff like that unless I'm working.
I met you at Root.
There he is, the plumber himself, loud and confident. He brags about laying pipe daily, but April interrupts sharply. She isn't talking home repairs. She means women across Oak Cliff. The courtroom buzzes. Their story began at Rudy's, and now it's unraveling before everyone. The case heats quickly, scandal thick in the air.
You were fixing their pipe. I met you at Rudy's.
Well, you know what, that don't...
She met you at Rudy's.
Listen, okay, every now and then I go from time to time between jobs. Listen, I'm Drummer the plumber, okay? I do a real good job. She's just mad. You know, she didn't start this.
What is she mad about?
She just, because... Listen, we went to a soccer game for our 6-year-old, right?
All right.
Everything was cool. You know, I met another young lady, and I brought her to the game, you know, because, you know, she likes soccer too. And she been tripping ever since. She wasn't tripping like that until she saw her, you know? So now she talking about, I'm gonna put you on child support. I pick my kids up. My kids got all the new shoes. They got all the new clothes. Anything they need. I take little man to the barbershop.
April has reached her breaking point. She recalls him bringing another woman to their child's soccer game, leaving her humiliated. He claims he still provides new shoes, fresh haircuts, everything needed. But April isn't convinced. To her, it's not only about money anymore. The disrespect cuts deeper. Yet, the biggest twist hasn't dropped.
Are you referring to these kids or?
All my kids.
Wait a minute, how many kids you have?
I mean, you know, before I got with her, you know, I have 3, you know, and then we have 2, I guess, you know, so.
Wait a minute, stop right there. What do you mean by I guess? What does that mean?
That youngest one don't look like me, but, you know, I'm not even, you know, we're not going to do that today. You know, we're not going to do that today. She's not as innocent. You do a lot of after-hours tutoring at her job, and it don't be no kids up there, so.
Tutoring and fixing pipes, okay.
Man, talking about I got to stay afterwards. I'm teaching the class, and I drive by there because I got a job around the corner, and it's just 2 cars up there. I know the kids can't drive, but, you know, ain't nobody up there. It be some bells ringing.
Then a bombshell lands. How many kids does he actually have? 3 from earlier relationships, plus 2 with April. Suddenly, he questions paternity, claiming the youngest child doesn't resemble him. The room erupts with tension. April claps back, accusing him of tutoring without students involved. The courtroom becomes a battlefield of suspicions.
Interesting. You know,
And I'm tutoring his other kids, so that's why I'm there late, because he's not there helping his kids. I'm tutoring the first 3 kids.
man, I could listen to you all day, but unfortunately I can't because I have other cases I have to get to, right? So I can't really place him on child support today without him knowing if these are his
just like
kids.
him.
Okay.
Well, he said he's questioning that. Excuse me, sir?
If somebody needed some pipe laid, that's all.
I'm
Just let me
sure
turn
it's
this off.
in
Let me.
Oakland.
Okay, so you know what? I'm not about to play with you. So I am going to tell you what I'm going to do. You're questioning whether or not, is it just the second one or is it both?
April insists she tutors his children because he refuses to step up. The judge, however, grows impatient. Without DNA proof, child support remains paused. Just then, an odd interruption erupts. Someone joking about pipes. The courtroom isn't comedy, but chaos continues. Still, the biggest shock hasn't arrived yet. The next moment changes everything.
And what she don't like to tell you guys is that, you know, I met her at Rudy's, right?
All right.
The dude ringing her up, she was hollering at him. I pulled her from him.
I asked her for extra pickles and a pepper.
I bet you wanted an extra pickle and a pepper.
Okay, you know what? So,
I
you
bet
know
you
what?
did.
I did.
So then next you know, she coming home from tutoring, smelling like chicken. I mean, smelling like straight seasoned salt, right? I didn't say nothing. Cause you know I come
Everybody
home.
gets extra seasoning at Rudy's on their chicken.
Yeah, they do. I know I do.
Well, listen, it was seasoned a little. It was everywhere. You know how people say you come home smelling like perfume?
Forget leaks, this case explodes. He brags about meeting April at Rudy's, pulling her away from another man with an order of pickles and peppers. Now, he mocks her, claiming her tutoring sessions come with seasoned flavor. Petty insults fly across the courtroom, turning real issues into absurd comedy. Drama escalates wildly.
Seasoned salt all on a blouse one day. I ain't no dummy. I know what it is. So,
Okay.
you know.
Sir, what pipes were you fixing at Rudy's?
Okay, let me tell you what we're going to do. Hold on, both of you. Let me tell you what we are going to do because I got a lot of seasoning from the both of you today. This is what we're going to do. We're going to reset this case so you can get a DNA test. Go ahead and get it on both, right? So I'm going to order you, get a DNA test on both.
We gonna get pickles and pepper man up here too?
If it's necessary, if you turn out to be the father, we can get the chicken man or the pickle man,
Yes,
whoever
can
we
get
need
all
to
that.
bring
We
in
can
here.
Bring the other 3 kids that I tutor in here.
The judge finally loses patience. Enough with seasoning, stories, and endless shouting. She orders DNA testing on both children. If needed, she even threatens to summon the pickle guy and chicken man. This courtroom officially transforms into a reality show. Just when it seems ridiculous, the case somehow gets even crazier.
So you know what? That's what we're
Because
going
they
to
can't
do.
read. One's 15, the other's 11. They can't read.
But they
That's
fly.
like
They
extra
fly.
help.
They fly. They got everything they need.
But you buy everybody Jordans. You buy my kids Jordans. You just said.
What's wrong with that?
Okay,
But
let
you
me
don't think
let me
you
tell
spend
you
that
what's
money
wrong.
for 2
Excuse
kids
me.
and not yours?
Excuse
Listen,
me.
I lay a
Did
lot of
y'all-
pipes.
Excuse me. Did y'all need me to leave? Why you all finished talking, or did you want to find out these are your kids or
I
not?
just got a whiff of seasoned salt
Do
that
you
set me
want to
off a little
find?
bit.
Answer my question. Do you want to find out whether or not these are your kids?
I do.
Thank you. Do you want to place him on child support if he is
I
indeed
do.
the father? Okay, so now
The children may struggle with reading, but they look sharp in Jordans. April says appearances don't matter. She wants answers. The judge presses them both. Do they seek real truth or more distractions? For the first time, silence fills the room. Could this moment mark a turning point toward clarity and responsibility?
case is reset pending the DNA testing. Okay, all right. Do you all have any?
And I don't need you to come over to my house.
No, ma'am, excuse me, Miss Drummer. I don't need you to tell him what he does not need to do. I need you to listen to what I'm saying, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
And I
you.
need him. No, don't thank me. I need you to go get the DNA testing. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I'll get the DNA test.
Okay, got you.
Okay.
Understood. So do you all have any other questions about what we're doing here today?
Yeah, just out of curiosity, how's the plumbing at the courtyard?
You know what? With that, we're going to go ahead and dismiss this and dismiss it for today, not in its entirety. You all are dismissed and free to leave. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
That's fine.
Finally, the judge resets the case, awaiting DNA results. April demands answers. He insists on proof. And we all want truth. Tension lingers, leaving everything unresolved. Behind insults and pipe jokes remain two children, waiting for clarity. If this hooked you, drop a comment, like, and subscribe. The DNA reveal is coming,